go man gbe wa egbe wo e. My godmother dey buy ticket dey go a house next month. If he open body for Atiti, if he just sleep with another man since when he a husband, since when he marry a husband, he want us to swear yesterday. Una say if he talk say if he just sleep with another man since when he know a husband, I fit start to swear. Before he come to measure all things where they say he do, he come to measure all of them. He still come measure and say if he's open body for Atiti. Because me with my godmother never see. Now only if you see what I talk at the Christmas time where he did for your husband place. Plus from Moswell, now we fit stay for video call. As far to today, my godmother na phone with the talk. Honoring this thing. Now during Christmas, now the two they greet the husband. The husband not the person where they say na engineering. Engineering na they we no know what to be engineering. People where they do engineering. Weekend where your husband go dey for house. Monday to Friday not go dey for house. The weekend where your husband go dey for house. I be man wey dey give person respect. Except the husband say, do you of Atiti? Sometimes the husband say, do you of Atiti? He go say, let me call Atiti. He will call me for video call. Ah, good evening, sir. Good morning, sir. How you doing? How you doing? You are looking good now, Atiti. You are looking good. You are proud of your mother. You are looking good. You are sweet. You are good. I say you cannot cry again. You cannot cry again at the laugh. So, now I be waiting. I dey tell una. So mama I go. I be wounded lion wey woman run live. The whole world don't know that one. Not be waiting the whole world not know. When I play one again, me see am. See am. See am.
I can't swear. Say if because they accuse me say I trust women.
What be your name? Sorry, what be your name, madam?
My name is Cynthia.
Cynthia. I continue.
I come because I know say I never cheat on my husband. Since I married my husband, I never do any adultery. And I never open body for Atiti. I never give Atiti money. Make he stagger anybody. Make he stagger Agbebo. Make he stagger British Biker. Make he stagger Itola Douglas. Make he stagger anybody. Like Kenetata, Julie London. I don't give Atiti money. I don't give Victor Inubo money. Make he stagger Kenetata. Make he stagger Julie London. Make he stagger Ajebo. Make he stagger Monica. Make he stagger British Biker. I never give my money at all. I never open the fee for Andromophowa. I don't send Andromophowa. I don't give
That? Now how does one make you come, Abi? No, they won't swear. They won't swear now. All those people when they talk and they go, when like you now, now he won't swear for. If it this, all those things when you talk, say you really do it. Make a boss on,
Mama I go you hear am. Mama go you hear am. Mama I go you hear this one. Atiti na wounded lion, you hear this one. No be say I dey disgrace you. I know dey disgrace you. Like the truth I dey tell you. Some people will say na disgrace. Mama I go dog give am money. Na disgrace. More dey tell the truth. More dey tell the truth. The truth has set us free. It is as they start to accuse this woman now. Papa go not come that house. He not come that house. He just from there rest since then. I not come talk to this woman. Wetin come vex me for his side? Where did they accuse Mama Ego? Queen Talk show come out. Other people presenters. I see many presenters where their wife they talk yesterday. We don't laugh Mama Ego. I can't see them yesterday. I can't surprise say my papa tell me say Akuna no get sense. Akuna no get sense. It is say as they all accuse this woman, Mama Ego, we will know the truth. Where this one will take him the rob. From Vito go to look at me, over pepe. Where from Vito spent 3 days for a house, a married woman. When this man here for Italy, this man start to call. He start to para. Mama Ego. As Cynthia go closer to Frank Victor, we Frank Victor they give her disgrace today. Now you give your husband disgrace. Oh. Now you they give your husband disgrace. And you say you want to frustrate this man for straight now. Mama Ego. Would add the any presenter will not talk truth for this. So I know say the Asha was presenters. Because they don't know tomorrow what will happen for their own, they will support you. This matter, not say I not talk post his name. But now me go bring Papa Ego, I can't talk him for a face. My godmother, you see the quarrel with me now, till now. As he beg me rich, I believe the condition of your husband not be waiting in the beg put. Now waiting the find solution put. Now waiting the find solution put. The solution house of a prophet Atiti. The solution maker. Now it's done so. All the old people when they talk, they fight adultery before now money that they find for inside. Mama I go, I not say me bring money for me now since I don't handle this matter. Papa I go, I not say me bring money for me now since I don't handle this matter. I don't need no money. But what I need, you can't see where your godson, the tepesi, where the tepesi say, ya ven you wa. Where the clap and follow your godson. When they clap and follow your godson, you go say me they go swear in your wa. You go they clap and follow them. I go begin. When I was the open people, I just now people go start to hold you. You go do that in your wa. When they clap and follow your godson, when you the back brother for a way you go cut laugh for I say you too know how to talk. You too know how to talk. Mama go, you are very you wa. Go swear Amadioha. Mama go say. Mama go say, Amadioha now, Afanuku. They hear that one. Mama go, as if it's a video when they do this, they say, wait I know what Amadioha be. He say, wait I know what Amadioha be. Say that struggle you do. Ijo, Yamami bo, Ijo, Yamami bo akara, Ijo. Where my charger? Iti to know you do we no do you no there. Iti to know you do we no do you no there. Mama Ego, you see what I know to be Amadioha. Mama Ego, you fear Amadioha. But you know go buy you now. Your husband saying go see marry you. Your husband saying go see marry you, whether good or bad, saying go see marry you. He say if you get bad character before, wait till your husband judge for my platform. He says at the comfort and so. You go do the knees. He go see marry you, even though you get bad character. Even though you get bad character, not say you not go marry again. Mama go, why you they don't say you not marry again? When your husband still love you, make you go do a new one. You not see all the old people with the don't catch adultery, their husband still take their entire house. Why you want to run for your husband as Mama go? One lady, where you run they go? Let where they go, oh, they make you run, go back, or make you not run, go outside, oh, they let where they go, they. Una good morning, God bless all of you. Make una help me share the video, make it go viral. I'm proud of my godmother. Make una help me share and make it go viral. Papa Ego, take heart. I know you are in trauma. I know you cannot sleep now. Since 2 days, I know you cannot sleep. Since I comforted you, you have been hearing a rumor, but since I comforted you, you have been not sleeping. you have been not sleeping. The kind thing wey godson dey do before wey dey draw adultery, say make dem go swear in Yoruba, wey go dey clap am for, dem go dey talk say he know how to talk, he know how to talk, he go cut land for am, he dey sell agbada for am, wey godson go dey draw person, wey godson wey dey lalisagin, ohun na ogbekola wey go dey draw dem dey go, he go dey clap am for them. The kind thing na we say make go do now. Wetin you support your godson take do? Wetin you support your godson take do? Say wey you go dey talk say your godson know how to talk, before you come run for your godson, because this race don come na him pick race. No be as una plan am before, no be say e come be. Before woman go dey cut land for man for Lagos, I no wan talk. Now, all the old women wey dey don catch adultery, all of them still dey for their husband house. Monica Atwadi still dey for your husband house. He still dey for your husband house. He don comot. Where you wan run, mama Ego? Where you dey go? Worry. Where you dey go run go back? Mama go run go back. Monica no wear shoe for the pain am, but he still dey for inside the shoe. Lolo no wear shoe for the pain am, he still dey for inside the shoe. Why your own come know where your shoe come dey pay you? No let the shoe pay you. No let the shoe pay you, mama Ego. I be wounded lion. A wounded lion with you. Oh, I not be bush rats. I not be bush tiger. Wounded lion. Lion wey they don't give po. Lion wey they don't give wey they don't give for shoulder po. Lion wey they don't give for shoulder po. Well, hey, that day when you give me so. Now different day name now they give me for this social media. Different name now they give me for this social media. No be Messiah of Facebook. The wounded lion of Facebook. Wounded lion of Facebook. This name sweet. Mama Ego, you do well for this name. You do well for this name. Wounded lion. Wounded lion is about to he's about to draw Mama Ego. Ta 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 ta. Wounded lion is about to draw Mama Ego. Ta 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 ta. Make una share the video. You be your day share. I know say no go dey affect you. E no go dey affect you. I know say they beg the old bloggers. I know say your brother na wizard for computer. Na wizard for computer. I no go put your picture for my platform. I no go put am. But people know you well well. People know you well well. If I go dey describe you, people know say na you I dey talk. And if people dey describe me, even though they don't put my picture, if people dey describe me say, Anene, Ibebe, Ekiano Bigo, Ibebe, Ojewe, people know say na me dey talk. I will describe you for word. You know say that Prophet Atiti, the Messiah of Facebook, the wounded lion of Tinto. You know say na they describe it to the world. You know see the sentence when they use for now. Monica, they catch her adultery. He said they with your husband. Lolo, they catch her adultery. See they with your husband. Now what you are the year for? Why your own one can't be difference? Why your own one can't be different? I want to know, Mama Ego. Why your own one can't be different? Monica tells her husband good part for the whole world. Lolo tells her husband good part for the whole world. They tell you they're not the quarrel. Why you can't why you can't run now? Why you can't run now? Big mama like you. Mother who are used to pride. You cannot clean the shame and take your husband back home. It's a taboo on your side. It's a shame and disgrace is on your side. Don't let all those Sasha who supported you. All those Sasha who will never marry, plus the one we don't marry. Now ask where they want to destroy and how they define. They clap on for you now, Mama Ego. Other people who they don't catch adultery, no tarata. He see there with your husband, he not come out. I go to measure them one. My master is still there with your husband, not come out. Why your own one called different, Mama Ego? Ewi no more ewi no more oh yeah, so now wetin pikin left for us, oh. Now wetin pikin left for us, oh. Now take the rich outside. Make una share am. Me wey dey say They say I be wounded lion. See when I move on. See when I find wife. I cannot marry a condemned woman. I better not marry. Than where person could not reach for life. Get stage where man could not reach for life. I am not there. I am not there. You don't see me as I dey talk now. I know the cause again. Because I don't dey prepare to marry now. I don't feel come marry. I can't give no sense to my wife for house. If the woman when I marry for us not happy, I don't feel happy. So time don't come when I dey walk towards it. They balance the situation down. You know, since I know the cost now, that cost now I go to invest my wife for side. The house will cost the head every day. You know the good. So you know, since I know the cost my money go now. But I heard the tell her say Mama start the catch her adultery. You see this with your husband. In Otata the catch her adultery, see them with your husband. Monica to her that Monica they take her sing. You see this for your husband as Mama go why your own one come different. Why now the shoe where you wear you see they pay Monica shoe not pay no more. In Otata shoe not pay no more. Why your own shoe come they pay you now? Now left side you wear the shoe pull and go right side. Mama go if na left side you put the shoe, carry and go the right side, the shoe not go pay you for leg again. The shoe not go pay you for leg again. Your husband not say he not go marry you again. The video I can't plan for now today, the video where Papa go for talk. Many of you na dey hear Oyibo, na not they understand what Oyibo mean. Many of you now wey go school, na dey hear Oyibo. Una not dey know the quantity of Oyibo where they speak. I don't look una wey be presenters. Una dey call una say presenter. No one, both the one wey go school. Both the one wey go school. Una not dey know the word wey dey come out for inside video. Papa go come talk. Now una dey see. Papa go not try. Not be educated. Not be educated. Now una dey see. Una know wetin una not hear for video. Na me dey tell una. Na me dey explain am for una. If I call explain am for una, all of una go shock. All of una go shock. Una know that one. So I not come here come cause my mind go. The video before I dey do videos, since I never cause am. Una surprise say my character different. I not see come cause am now. I say I know why I wait to and dog glass will be like this now because it costs follow on. Because it costs follow on. Now make me the beggar. But now the truth I talk. You wait they say I beg it to and dog glass. I see the beggar to and dog glass. La wo ye ya bomen. Wo words if you don't cut only we are for say to and dog glass la wo. Play the full video for people. Analyze the full video when I do for person. Analyze them to the world if you be better person for the citizen. If you be better person, better woman, better man, analyze the full video for person. Not gonna take only there, make you a coward. Because other people they for outside when they listen to the video. Not be only you want too fast. You want to prove say you too fast. Play the full video, start them from the beginning, the way I take start on. Before I cut the video, plan for the world. Not can they claim glory because we not get sense. I get sense past you. I educated past you. As education. As education, I educated past you. I'm just telling you the truth. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I'm wise more than you. I have a brain more than you. Even though you are a graduate. I only pretend to the world that I don't know how to talk. I pretend to the world they used to call me Ibe sign, Ibe, Ojewe, Ekiano Biko. Nothing they never call me. So then now they call me wounded lion. Lion like you, not bossy your way. Not bossy your friend, not bossy your listen, not bossy your way. That's lion with them. When I òun láti àrò wounded lion òun fi àwọn wounded lion ẹ dìde pé wounded lion ẹ dìde pé wounded lion mama ego Monica Atuari they catch her adultery but he still dey with her husband. Mama Star Monica catch her adultery he say make go do DNA he still dey with her husband. Many wey your godson still catch adultery your godson he say no tarata adultery many wey don too he say they be adultery they still dey with their husband yes or no mama ego why your own want to different. I go come analyze the video when I for call papa ego I know they chop money they know they bribe me now when I don't handle this matter papa ego no give me money o mama ego no give me money o I go talk and see be. They don't catch many women adultery for this social media. They see them with their husband today. Why you they run for your own? Where you they run they go? They say better for worse. Wait till you want to give your pikin. House advice you want to give your pikin for us. Mama go. You will not be grandmother 50-something years. Whose advice you want to give your pikin? They say woman, open you your word. It is woman they suffer for man, it is suffer for husband house before it become a tree. As you be now at your age now, 50-something years, your pikin husband for husband they see where they come on live your husband. Your pikin husband go they see where they call you adultery for social media. You don't fit play the game. Good morning, ma. Good morning, you know what? Call you know what? I will just call you a mo. Erimawo. Oh, occurring when I am booking again. You may that's what about. Call you know. Odo wegije o wa ba we ya nuda we ya la do nuda we ya la tito ije dami oji inya gwa am na we ga wo mai ọmọ yẹn pọn wọ máa yẹn wá àtàwé iye go ọmọ ní láìkì náà iye go ọmọ ní wá láìkì natural náà màá iye go wà gún adẹ́dẹ́gbé before ìsìn dẹ́tì náà iye go náà tó táwé ìyá àdó yín mi yẹn ìṣètìdò yín mi after vacation náà fún ni but I need the goodness ọkẹ́ ni torí ọ̀hún ẹ̀ máa gbọ́n. I did not quite what it ta. He tell me no the fois. He can't say I go with me. He come my way with nine. Okay, ugly beggar. If my go away, damn why go? Oh, yeah, when we come, what was it be? Why giving you? Me matia boni was it be popular. Me matia boni you go na we make me not boni you go credit there. Okay, omani si ana omani a he promise you he go he promise you when damn yoji he promise you when he tell me go he tell 7 times and but wamagu si me so no kwara o yewe yewe we no so no me wo we no so no me wo we no so no me na de gbela na we na ogun me gbo no de na we he watch a video ge e won at a polite sort in wa mind awe mu de lion okay man yone na ye when ya wa film video na ya film video na ni de go boni ka to are go ya film video na ne e de gbe ade de go moni ka to are go idu go pe pa no zuwa o pe pa no zuwa no re Germany no we me nwa no come de war idu go egbon because e man obu yan ra gbo na yan me nwa yan ba mo uwe ni awo wa ne yan go ti yan go agbon yan wo ga yan yeah agani na atagwe me lo ye ko ko teme apushin yo okay og ye go I don't close your tata all left for you they not let me talk to you tell you wetin dey my mind but I don't close your tata so but as the thing they pay me for mind maybe as they talk to me so 3 hours time I say but I don't know why I appear now that spirit wey they do me when I one country talk to mama I go that spirit go away leave my body I ban you in Jesus name I drive you away from my body okay I don't hear I go call her for his house you know say if they talk with mama I go if they talk to for my go for his house you know they agree so I go call her for his house now when I go carry my phone I will go beg her mommy I beg I can't beg you I'll go do that one for his house I'll go do that one for his house okay I like it up they say if good mothers we not punish we not suffer their husband we not give their husband shame we not make their husband they talk for street we not make their husband they think if they talk to person that they hear word some of my good mothers they don't come in now I have nothing to say I take them but God knows say wetin I just drop for ground e dey for people hearts e go dey touch people for heart so I be done the two where they go now be one start to advise my mama I go na my mama wey ekuno bioka woman wey fit dey stay wey fit dey enjoy with man woman ne wey no dey look ikorionoro pe woman wey no dey look dirtiness wey dey for man body woman wey no say the wetin they no do to a pikin e no go do am to another man pikin woman wey dey take dey proud for public woman this kind woman na me dey call enebokun ekunobioka money J okpoko ni jere na this kind woman I dey call na dey call why the foolish ones wey don break home na those I dey beat them kwere I dey beat them because they say e shoe dey pay you for mama leg you go wear the shoe for papa leg you go wear am for papa leg no be say shoe dey pay you for mama leg you just put the shoe wey dey for papa right mama right you just pull am away e shoe dey pay you for leg you go give shoemaker go mend am shoemaker go repair the shoe na me be shoemaker messiah of Facebook That shoe wey you say dey pay for leg, I be wan repair am, they say one not repair the shoe. They say one not repair the shoe. Papa, I will call you whether Mo will repair the shoe, Mo will not repair the shoe. Mama, I will call you Mo will repair the shoe, Abi Mo will not repair the shoe. I will call una for indoor. Make una one una pikin o. Make una one una pikin o. Make una one una pikin o. Make una one una. I don't say they don't swear for una pikin. They don't swear for una pikin. Mo dey wait make the juju work. You get one man waiting for Germany wey no get sense. Wey dey talk poa. Go just dey talk poa. Since I grew, I never see that kind of man for my life. Man wey no dey think before they do something. Man wey no dey think before they do something. A daunting man. Apa obobo man. Boo man. Wey no get sense. They will say they get sense. Because Atiti call admit say he no go school. They come dey claim say they go school with rice. They be pocket picker for street. They be atakparapa no goji. Oji bole. Now wetin they be now they label me o. Now wetin they be they label me. Make una share the video. Make it go viral. So as we dey come back again, make una go come up you can worry for me. I see video wey he do yesterday. I be person wey dey at my age now get what I supposed to do, get what I'm not supposed to do. Pikin wey they talk to, you know, here, they know how they take the cure am. My godmother don't go swear. They swear when they swear yesterday. All of them saying I'm proud of them. Different people. As I did for life, so I go tell you Paris. AB Paris, send me this video. Sometimes I go call her Proko, Tapia me, but this video, send her for me. Tapia me, but I'll call her. Sometimes I feel call it the movie video now. So video this time. The movie send her for me. No mistake like the movie they send me when I call the saga you. So your fans wey go see video Monica actually wey go send her for you. Your fans wey go see video wey send her for you. Now they say you make they do saga be. Your fans when you go see video we go send her for you. Now they say you make they do saga. So I beg all of presenter France, all those presenter France, you not see wetin happen now. If you not see video, you not the send her for any presenter again. You not let them see them with their eye. Tomorrow they'll use this kind, they'll say una descendant to come spoil una name, to come destroy una name. But they can spoil una name. Like one day, we don't preach, they do video. When Papa Wala talk or whether Monica talk. I never hear that video for my voice. I never hear them once. I come to preach, say, send me this video. He said, whether me not hear whether I wife born. He not call me. First, when he call person, say my wife born. Now they wish congratulations. I don't be senior man. I don't be small picking again. I see the way they talk to me. I call run for her. Not be that day I want to start to talk to Papa Wala. I don't talk to Papa Wala for more than 3 years. I don't talk to her. Not be that day I want to start to talk to her. He just be say, now so they be now. I feel you call my godmother and I say this video where they do that and you know her, you fear me find her because I don't get time. You go help me find her. Now so Monica, now so you see big way you see call that what other people will call you. Like that day where they do my video. Where they do my video. Some people send video for you that day. Not because they send you. May you do saga. Not because they send you may you do saga. That day when they find video. When they play one video. I witness I did with you for line. They can't send another video for you. Not because that people tell you may you do saga. So that if una dey cause, una no go dey chop cause, una dey cause. If una dey cause, una no go dey chop cause. You know, because say we dey find social media money. Una see Ijore when they come out that they draw different people. Women come follow me fight. Ijore they draw different people, but then Ijore find my trouble. Una wait there for a house. Una know they see parable. We present the truth to each other. It gets some people who will feel bear the parable way the it. It gets some people who don't feel bear. Now person we can't do his own comment. Now they say in I find trouble. But people will really get eye. They will not say it don't take away this guy, they find this man trouble. Only don't preach now be one thought truth. Now be one thought truth as everything happen. I see say Yuri call him. I see him. He call him for phone. He don't go block and make the truth not come out. Now so Akuna they behave. Don't please be one start to hammer the truth. I know say Yuri watch and you quick call him. You not put the phone for speaker. You not gonna say the truth. If una dey watch video, una dey watch the background, una dey watch wetin dey happen for video. But many of una no know say na Yuri call am that day. When the priest wan start to say the truth. Una no know. But I know say as Yuri dey operate, as Yuri dey operate, na be that. Now me dey follow the waka, I don't know the finish. Today if I thought say I no go feel as they run, I go dey run for presenter. Not be say I can carry the talk and say I go dey run for presenter. Because money is the root of all evil. I believe say that day when I called the priest, he sent this video for me. If he say he call me or I see the video, I watch to do say why I born. I wish him congratulations. I believe if for send me that video that day. Not be he send me when I go to Saga Papa Wala. I thought the Saga Papa Wala. I thought they tell Papa Wala truth, not be Saga. I thought they tell him the truth. I thought they tell Papa Wala the truth, not beside the Saga ran. Because when Papa Wala matter come out, we go for conference call. Many of them not go conference call. Now money that they find money. Now money na they find. But the people waiting for conference call, that day na money they go find. I can't talk to them, they can't confess, they can't reconfess, you know what I'm saying? When they go carry juju for Benin Papa Wala, I tell person, my people will around me say they go drive all of them. People who swear this juju. And there is Sian, they drive many people. That very day when they swear that, because now I call people, say they will drive people for Inside Benin, when they go swear for that Papa Wala matter. I say they will drive them for Inside Palace. That very day. In only 3 days, they receive the results, say they drive them. So I'm a nobody, I'm from poor family, but the way God created us, we are buoyant, we are contented what we have. May God not let us poor, may God let us rich. Wait till this one writes. Wait till this one writes. When I help me look what it writes. Wow, now block and one block you this morning if not batting. If na batting, na block and one block you. Yeah, I block you. Yeah, I block you. Make una share the video. Make una share and make go viral. Make una share and make go viral. Make una share this video, make go viral. Make una share am. So if una dey swear, una know the type of swear una dey swear. As I read that video that day, as the priest give me that video that day, I can't take am. The saga papa wala no be Don Priest send me saga. Una dey call her saga, but me dey tell papa wala the truth. I can't take the video, they tell her the truth. See wetin they talk for this video, see wetin they talk for this video. No be Don Priest send me saga. No be Don Priest send me saga. I don the saga run. Before this woman know Monica, before this woman know that one with the locus of also, he don the saga Monica dey come. He don the saga Monica dey come. This live video, what would they so? As I the saga some people now, some people they will like am. As Monica the saga some people will they like am. It go call Monica say, for instance, I be your supporter. Una even they say for live video wey some will call. No leave this person, no leave this person. Una they see am. That wetin all present at the accountant. You know if you tell who like you Monica, make one like me. Most of your fans, they love me. As they didn't like you, they like me. Like the Canada women. The Canada women. I know how many they call me. Wait, they call you, they don't get love for you, they call me, they don't get love. They love you, they like you, but they call me. All those women, your Canada women, some video where you go do, where you mention my name, they'll say send that for me, see what Monica do now, see what he talk. I'm not going to talk to you again. Sometimes when I go that day, video where you play that day, wait till you talk when you only do video. I don't see her for a war. I say Monica must get this video. In over these 2 hours, you start to play the video. You get the one where you don't see where you play. Hello, I beg get one person will write comment for there. Help me look the comment where he writes. You get one person will write comment for there. Help me look at whether you get chance. If whether I say be one right, you get that. Whether I say I don't know what I still do. Okay. No problem. Wait. My brothers and my sister, on a good morning. Mona call it the Murphy in the house for me. Yeah, the Murphy in the house for what you do for this matter when they go on between me and my godmother. When I cut here, go give her the Murphy. For what you do now, I know see. I know what I want to talk about. If person can't tell you, almost will call they tell you, say, my mother, say me you drop your page. Or you write them for comments. He can't show now the comments. But at the movie, remember I said time they wait take the police catch your brother. Remember I said time they wait take the police catch your mom's brother. Everybody first put. Go look the date. Go look the date where the comment they enter the Facebook where he write. No my godmother write. Go look the day where he take police catch your brother. Okay. I don't remember. When you say, now you say that you they support me. We go find your picture, come out. Mm, mm. I remember the day. I remember the day. I remember the day. Mm. Don't worry, relax. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. We're gonna wait. People wey dey destroy, wey dey talk like we need to dey destroy their life for their hands. LOJ, LOJ. Edimofi, egania women wan na home. Na Edimofi na ye police mo 2 men wan. Asokwa bi aro. Na Edimofi ka am picture. O go more than la na page oge. Egana am picture go more than la na page ni. E page ni. O go more than na gbo you comment section we no mo face no bring it page e down. No am picture la ni. No ye police gbo iya we Edimofi gu ne. Menwa na mo bogbo ni we Edimofi gu ne. Oye police mo tion ni. One of the more picture la dia. One of the more picture go madam la dia. Ma be the video. Ma be the video. Go madam na do gbe comment section we no mo page Edimofi go to. Emi na gbo ya o no. So we ka bok mo Edimofi na o pe na o en gbe ne kakabo. O en gbe ni. O ya ni. Master me na. Dey ma so no. We na we ozuo no fu Germany yi no ga azuo ni. O ya wo kan. Edimofi ya ma dia wo ya ma gwa me. Twice a year now. So one of the comments, you know where the right comment, you know, they be careful from now. But he make one ni I comment ni agbe. Okay, ni advise him because we don't know who go use against you now. Make una dey be careful. If una the right comment, if una know say una want to write bad comment, una go put fake account. Fake account everybody is allowed. If you know say like this woman, it was not getting good, get bad attention. Like real account, now I take it for Facebook for more than 5 years. Real account with the picture, everything. You not get bad attention. Now because of the evil people or evil person when you go follow waka. Where this poor person name. No be say the woman not go school. No be say no feel put 20 fake accounts if na evil woman. No be say no feel put 20 fake accounts. No be say no feel open am. He go school na daughter. If you know Facebook, you don't know everything finish. No be the one we know 50 open fake 20 fake accounts. So una when they call for a say say this one. When una get sense, you will person don't get quarrel. Now because una not get sense, you will person, you with this, me with Ajebo don't get quarrel. Me with Monica don't get quarrel before I know this woman. You know, say people wey don't get sense, now they talk say they get sense. I will come to educate them, make they get sense. Monica Atuari, make una share the video, make reach where Monica Atuari reach. I no come cause am. Later. I see video where they do one day, where they send video for you. If tomorrow now you call us, if you with that person they quarrel tomorrow now, you call us and they send video for you. Now they send me call the saga people. If they give you money, Me call the saga people, make una wise. Una go no say person na evil person. Una go dey clap and follow am. Una go no say this person na evil person, una go dey clap and follow am. Una no say this person na destroyer because una dey find money, una go dey clap am for wetin the person come talk. Una go know. People say I call dey beg it to Douglas. I dey beg it to Douglas. I not talk say wetin I talk na lie o. Abuna no get sense. Una play the full video when I do not be so I come cut one part come out. Come dey claim glory. Una wey no get shame. I just dey bad for una. Una dey claim to, una dey try to claim glory when I take cover na shame. When I know say I still dey alive. I no dey for prison. The matter wey dey say make e quench. You wey the matter dey for a body, if you get sense, you go quiet. If you be person wey get sense, you wey the matter dey for body, you quiet, dey look wetin you wan go, wetin you wan play. Because say you no get sense. You dey come public when they talk verbal and say na you get sense pass. But that's kaka brain you no get. You for play the full video, make people listen to word wey dey come out from my mouth. Matter wey dey say make e die now. You wait the matter dey for body dey rise am again, not say e be fool. Because you don't still have sense. E be the video when I do come play the full video. Make see what wey dey for inside. You know say if you come out, you want to provoke this man again. You go know say if you want to come out again, come dey make wawa. You want to provoke this man again, you go get sense. Because say Ashawo no get sense. Man wey dey put for us, not say get sense. As my papa tell me. You know say they not come tell una truth, una no go wise quick. Una no go get sense quick. They not come tell una truth. As you call you tell una truth, nobody go dey pepper una. But if you so na see, una quiet. They say sit down, look, now be dog name. Una dey cry say una use money. Una dey cry. You see use more money, you go see spend more money. If you never know now, they tell you to still spend more money. You know here wetin I talk for inside the video, they say when I beg the mafia, I say I no go beg am. Wetin I talk no be lie. You know hear am because they don't get sense. Wait. I will not love marry. Akpa obogo. Ewia. Now the movie lead them, make the take carry us go. Cause what I do at the movie, they say I beg, I say I no go beg. You know here, who can live in one? Who come the war? But that way, who come be? My people, now good morning. People don't wake up. As people they wake, people they join the live video. Now so now go the good thing go the enter on a house for morning. Now so good thing go the enter on a house for evening. As soon as they join me for this live broadcast, una go start from the beginning. Una go to watch what I talk. We not cause for here today, we know the cause of Ogun again. With the answer to the whole world, we know the cause of Ogun again. But we dey tell them as a be. Now we be Ibebe, now we be wounded lion, now we be awake, now we be a care of bigger. No name with the never call me. Oh yeah, we no name with the never call me. Woman Peter, no name. Because our Papa God waited the plan for because of truth. As I dey talk the truth now, body go dey pay them. If the truth too strong, they don't want to talk to that. I say they'll come confess. They'll go confess. Una don weakness and several times. If the guy that they beat me, I say Zagazaga la lanyagbe. Una don weakness and several times. They go say they take Ojuju, they carry woman. They will say my Ojuju not they walk. Say I don't know what Ojuju, nothing with they never talk. Now because of the truth, when I tell them, now they talk all those things, make the taste spoil people out for my body. Oh. Make the taste spoil people out for my body. Iyan no reti to yen pi tawatapi. Abi ebo man yore wetin to. Tawatap. Wapi shower shopping me wetin to wala wapi shower shopping me. I don dey Facebook for 5 years. Now when I dey call Tito, I say I no go dey. I will not go cause swear go for Tito. We no go dey swear go now. Tito people make una show me love. Tito people make una show me love. E get one thing wey dey waka for inside my Facebook yesterday. Na so the thing they do for exciting too. So person go give me car. Make una show me love. They say if market no good for us, you go New Benin market. If e not good, you go Gida market. If e not good, you go Solo market. Before you follow 3 markets, it go good. The market of Facebook, Tubutubu, na me no wan do market for Tubutubu. Because I don't feel the swear Ogun take the eat. I don't feel the swear Ogun say I want to buy motor when I dey drive. Now me park the market for Tubutubu. For Facebook, I don't decide say I not go to swear Ogun now. I know swear Ogun for you, swear Ogun for me. I know what I go do. You know we na ka fen for man. I know what I go do. What I go do, I no go talk and comment. So now, when I don't got into Facebook, because of the truth, when I dey talk for Facebook, when I go see truth, this my math, the DNA wey my papa take train me, na for truth. If I dey come next generation, papa will go born me, may tell me how to, may teach me how to talk lie. May teach me how to talk lie when I dey talk lie. They know they go police station because of lie. They know they go police station because of lie. Because of truth, they go police station. Since Facebook people, they not agree when I talk the truth, they thief my page. They thief my page. They thief my page. I don't come to una for Tinto. Tinto people na good man, make una show me love. The love when I say make una show me now, make una help me, make una follow me. Make una follow me. Make una depress I like your thing. No be I like. Make una depress our shop. Wetin be our shop? They call a tap. The one who they call I like your thing for Facebook. The one who they call I love your thing for Facebook. Now they say be tap. This tap for this side now be shower shop. You know say anywhere I go, I dey get my own name. Not be the name we follow and call they give them. If you go to Butubu now, you know what they call to Butubu? YouTube. I get name for my papa side. I get name for my mama side. The name for mama side na Ewotubu. If I go Ewotubu, where they call YouTube, all the old landlord wait there for Ewotubu, all the old landlady wait there for Ewotubu. I do only to grade them. All the old YouTuber wait there for YouTube, I don't let they greet them. Make they go call the landlady of Ewotubu, the landlord of Ewotubu. Make they call, they come. I don't let they greet them. So, this shop where they cut into, the more we go for inside, we can't know the name of the old landlord and landlady. This landlady waiting for Facebook la live for their mouth. You to landlady and landlord on already Facebook. I will like your team people now. I will like your team people now on already Facebook. Now na to baby. I let you go where I let you on already Facebook. Here are we over you agree. Here is a toge na to give me never time I watch I will to with me. I be not remember those words again when my papa tell me when I young 10 years ago. When I did 10 years. But when I come Facebook, when they will so that they go food talk out public say that they put 20%, 100% they join out. Now there are no say if you never retire, matter no I say we will. Now there I can't say what my part of. The if you go talk after my face say, "Ah, the 100% he buy." Hey, you know what, Papa? If you tell my man, he get it. If you tell my man, watch out with me, watch out with Talogo, watch out with me. But for Tito, I don't know whether that's so that they talk live for this I do. But for Facebook, both man and woman win it day. Hey, Papa, it's how about me now? When you see Kenya, I have a page. I have a page. The Baba out than on a page. I have a drunk car. Here got told Ojimiri. Oh, we mark bow go to Lucini boy. Tito people, when I don't consider, when I don't go 5% way, go come catch me or share way because of truth when I want to talk for this side. When I don't go 5%, we will not never start quarrel because of the truth when I want to tell the world. You don't go 5% say Atiti goat. Atiti goat make the country cover my mouth. With Tito people, when I not do that one, they don't do it for Facebook. When I dey talk, I dey tell my about it that they give people advice, people they like her. I dey go many battle, I dey succeed. They come the verse, they come the bring quarrel, they come say that they preach. When me can go, when I want start, now I go 5% when they say I think good, when they think short about my mouth, make people for come they shame me. Oh, Jago. Now we see there as they talk so. People say when I go beg the woman, as a wise man will get sense, he go quiet, they look what he want happen. It showed to me say you are irrelevant in the society. You are irrelevant. You can come on here to come and be backing. To come and be backing like foolish man. It's not my business. It's one Douglas Nije Lawoji. So Douglas Nije Niboku Lawo. I see the repeater now. Mama, I go come outside, they beg it to one Douglas, I can't beg you. If you not be woman and man will get sense, when I go look the real video when I do. Una not go talk and say, they say when I beg at the movie, I say I not beg at the movie. Una not go talk that way because una they fight with you and want to cover my shame. It be a cat walk with vessel. It be a cat walk with ya papa ya with papa. We are come with more because we are requiring more. I want ya go for no rack and I go for back. I didn't know what a boy what we do. Who are claim what we do what. How we do as they do. Or how we do. You know what we do here I am in mine. I am in mine. If I were you, I could have quiet and watch what is going to happen. Because you are irrelevant in the society, does it have a sense? You are not well trained, proper way at home. You train from the streets, you grow from the streets. You cannot think wise. You cannot see a video and memorize your brain. He just say I should beg Eddie Murphy. I know Eddie Murphy was a manipulator. I say I will not beg Eddie Murphy. You suppose, if you are a wise man, you okay because you are a foolish man, you want to claim a glory that not belong to you. You can run to come and be backing like a foolish man. You can run to come and be backing as a foolish woman. I did see some women yesterday. I did see some men yesterday. If you just see their face, you know the way they talk, see their face, you know, see they don't get sense. If you see the way they take the open mouth, you know see they don't get sense. Egiame ya solo wo wa. Afia mafia egian ti. Wa gi afia mafia wa gbe. Ẹ̀rù ẹ̀dẹ̀nù sáyà wèmí ọjà gbọ́n sáyà gi agbọ́n mi ẹ̀mẹ̀ I no sabi sing. If you say I sabi sing, I for the sing for una. When I call somebody. We're gonna share the video. My godmother go bring Juju come out. He swear na if Atiti sleep with her. If he open body for Atiti. My godmother no go draw person when he tell her say, we can't tell the world say, he no go draw am. Say you must follow me go Juju place. You go bring Juju paper for am. My godmother swear. Say if you don't open. You know say as my godmother take start her, you wait they make noise. You that man wait they make noise. You know say as my godmother take start her. He say if you don't open left for man, if Atiti sleep with her, or if you open left for Atiti, you know hear her. Because you don't get sense. You know hear her, you see measure your name for instance say if you pay people make they go to saga, you know hear her. It's something they happen. Many presenters know the wait. Make they look wetin they happen before they talk. You know the wait. Person like me, polite is hot. Educated people now they follow me the work. Polite is hot. They know say na wetin I hate. You can't give me polite is hot finish. You say you don't talk to me. I just dey look one woman waiting for London now. Ogbele kiai. He dey pay na say he not take money. He dey pay na say money wey they spend for me na the money wey they take before they not go spend that for. Na dey cry for. Na dey cry for. I know na me know my people. Na me go describe them for now. One woman waiting for London where they cry because of money. If they talk different lie every day, they talk different lie every day. Now money they cry for. You will see they for London where they work. You see they cry for follow woman where they with you for London, they cry for money. This life not balance. So. This life not balance. So. I just they look that one. I just they look that one. Okay. We do a good see. I beg, if you see they come for Nigeria, may bring every all soup food now till they talk to these people. May they bring her for me when I call cook her for freezer. If I don't chop and then with a goosey or don't chop with a wudu, I don't chop, I can't give them one. After they talk, so body go they pepper them for his house. They know the truth that they tell them. In one of our big songs says that Izigbayato Emagbona. Izigbayato Emagbona. Wagimaze gbagbon eten. Wagimaze gbagbon eten. Aje mi gbayato lo bolokwa. I dey see some people say it 200 glass when I sell for 3 years. When I sell for 3 years, they say when I leave am, they say when I leave am, when I come back am. If me talk say I no fit beg her, the more fit wey draw that woman, follow body go anywhere. I no fit beg her, you know say at this stand by truth, you go get sense. Now what did they tell me? They say when I come, when I beg it 200 glass, la wo wo je. Yo come for me in your now. It is one in your way. Awa pa obobo ne nwa iyan de gbedo imite iyan mama ke imite de gbedo ategbe oge no e ma ta mama ke de gbedo ata because awa pa obobo ne nwa no we yan go social media no we yan de makifo yi yan ke kan iye me to ando class la wo ya bo me e ma we the forfaitement the form of character man where ajegan yo la gbogbo eyin ene wa ajegan yo la gbogbo je me to Douglas la gbona fi video na e ke ni ke mi to Douglas fin ya la jan do pe magbon. If you are a truthful somebody, because people are watching me now, people will see this video before evening, they are more than, they will more than 2,000. If you come ahead to come and be disgracing yourself, they will be laughing you. Hey, my love. I see you there. What I you, good morning, good morning. We know the cost of going again. We deserve to give them woto as you talk. The message we have need your one, my logo. What give a logo? So, man and woman, this life is Zigbe. One of our Benin song. I know I be singer, I not be musician. If they sing and they like to sing, is Zigbaja to Zigbaja ni magbona. Wagima Zigbagbon etin o. Osani magaga gimari. I not fit sing and party, I not be musician. If musician dey here just I go sing, I go straight for a mouth. It goes sweet for a month. Many people when they call themselves presenter, may not be presenter. Since when I come this live, I not be presenter. I dey talk around Louis or Bokuta Negbe when Negbokpa. So go swear my name say na medicine I take the cat woman. So go swear my name say my medicine not the work. So I go do medicine for them. They take divorce their wife. They go say no work. Lies. All the way they want to break me down. All with it, they define way they want to break me down. Now they define. You know, see the one way Mama go come talk yesterday, they say I've been wounded lion. We want to cover his shame. But Monica, they catch her adultery, he did with her husband. Monica catch Mama Star adultery, he did with her husband. He go do the knees. Mama Star at her house. Many people we don't see. Why I be say you dey run for your husband house now? You dey come in with that lion. People don't know say truth today for them. My godmother say when I rest, the way they take the pepper me go dead lion, the way they take the pepper me. And I be say when I put jara, make people wey you the new they come, they know. Make them see get sense for inside, make them see calculate. You know, say with the open people sense. With the open people sense. They say shoe not good for your papa leg. You go pull and put for your mama leg. They say shoemaker and they repair shoe. If our women, they don't do bad thing for husband house. If they want to, they say not be bad or anything on that way. That shoe where they pay for leg, we go repair them at the leg. Not be yourself they do. You give yourself shame and disgrace. This leg not good, you go another leg house. That's why you see our women, they born for 3 men, born for 4 men today. Any woman, wait born for 1 man, wait not for husband house. Wait they plan to marry, and they respect the woman. You see some women, they don't dey for, it don't come up for husband house since 20 years, 15 years, 10 years. he no marry other husband, he dey train the pikin. That kind of woman, I dey praise am. That kind of woman go give am respect. God go bless you anywhere you dey for that woman. That kind of woman fit decide today say, even though my husband don marry another wife, fit decide say he wan go back. After all, Europe wey we dey so, the woman get im own house. If he settle with him husband come dey greet dem, fit decide tomorrow. That kind of woman, I no fit dey curse her now. I no fit dey give am disgrace now. Because probability still dey say one day. Hello. Hello. How far? That if you call me in the morning or you call me in the morning, no greet me with our dialect. As una take greet person for Germany, as una take greet person for Germany. Gig monkey, they greet me like that. Gig monkey. I go learn the whole language for this one. Now, you can hear me, I'll call later. Make contact me as they take greet person for it. What they call Holland. I don't know Germany. Good morning. For France. For France. You go say, ça va chérie, attends, ça va chérie, attends. That one, okay, kiali watawo, attends, like that one they greet. O 20 years to the greet when they greet for France no good. Attends. Now they greet for that side. Good morning. How about this? You two they laugh. Why you they laugh? Hello? No, I never true. I did for line. You want to talk to me before? I just the enters. At the enters when you call me. Now you, I when you put her for bed, now you call me. You don't call the sleep. I dey call you now. You don't carry phone. I know the year you put your earphone for ear where. You, Abi. That phone wey you dey use so, that phone wey you dey use so, as you put your earphone for ear, not put the phone for your pocket for down, e no go dey clear. You find where put am for inside your for up, the phone go closer to the earphone. If you go put am for inside handbag for down, e no go dey clear, go dey make kuru. I don dey hear you now, pikin wey no go school, wey know as everything take dey play, talk to me. When I finish first, when I quick round up now. I'll call you now, yeah? Good morning. I get people around the world, illiterates, your God. I get people around the world, Canada, everywhere I get. I want to tell me as they take greet Holland. As they take greet Holland. I want to call them. Tell me as they take greet Holland. I want to know the whole language. I want to leave my face. I don't want to know whether if they do something now. I want to leave my face. If he did, he go call me by himself. So as I dey talk and dey go just now, any woman wey don born, even though na 1, 2, 3, e get probability say even though your husband marry tomorrow, if he decide to go meet your husband, if he not decide, he decide to marry, I fit marry that kind of woman. Even though the woman don reach 90 years, na one man born for, and e take time take train the pikin. E take time take train the pikin grow. I fit marry that kind of woman. Because if they treat them this small, as I talked yesterday, he not too much get love for you. The man not get love for you. The woman not get love for you. Now that is they take off. So all those kind of women they respect them. God bless everyone individual. I no go talk of Mama Ego again. I don't forget. But the name when he call me, wey want to spoil me to the world wey dey call polite insult. Now we know the polite insult, but we know dey talk lie for our own. We know dey talk lie. If they don't call me different name, truth is bitter. Truth is the bitter, eh? They carry enemy because of truth. They carry enemy because of truth. You know, see the way my godmother take swear the cause. Where they accuse and say they open leg for Atiti. You don't see the way my godmother take swear the cause. He's safe. He don't sleep with one plan for now. He here for your You that man will come the top poa. Come listen. Come listen. Hear them.
I can't swear. Say if because they accuse me say I be adulterous women.
What is your name? Sorry, what is your name, madam?
My name is Cynthia.
Cynthia. I continue.
I come because I know say I don't do adult. I never cheat on my husband. Since I married my husband, I never do any adultery. And I never open body for Atiti. I never give Atiti money. Make it stagger anybody. Make it saga Agbebo. Make it saga British Biker. Make it saga Itola Douglas. Make it saga anybody. Wagenetata, Julie London. I don't give Atiti money. I don't give Victor Inugo money. Make it saga Wagenetata. Make it saga Julie London. Make it saga Ajebo. Make it saga Mokuta. Make it saga British Biker. I never give my money at all. I never open the me for Andromophola. I don't send Andromophola.
That now those will make you come at me. No, they won't swear. They won't swear now. All those people they talk and they go when I get you now. They won't swear.
Hello, mom. Hello, mom. Hello, mommy. Good morning. Hello. Why put up a speaker? You don't come again, my wife. Good morning. No greet me like that. Not take your darling to take greet me. Greet me with the way you take greet place for Holland. Holland. Greet me. Eh? No, not be so they take greet place. How they take greet place for Holland? That one a good money for them. Nani, good. I'll reply you. Tell me as I'll reply you. Laos, Laos. Hey, I go get. Do I gear? Language, different language, plenty. Hey, good morning. Which question you want to ask me, mommy? Ask me. You don't see you. I don't say you be bad person. I don't say you be bad person. And that Lani, I don't say that Lani that I don't agree. I say you can't change your voice again. You can't change your wife for all understand. How body? No, that's a good morning. Now, one forward for you. Now, may you do video put. Now my godmother goes where they pull life for her, say they open life for me. Now he did for London. Cynthia, Awele. You don't know her. If they call your platform, go look if they comment for your platform, I just say and there always. You understand me? So they say they open he left for me when he did for husband house. Now he go swear for the place now say where I put on speaker? What put on speaker?
I put am for speaker.
And what put
That
on?
be this thing.
I don't put on. Talk to us.
Una good morning, yo.
Good morning.
If you not like me, you not go buy no concern. I don't say I don't say to now. Now you got not a night they accuse. Say they say you may you can't insult them.
The
one where that they can't insult people, who they send them?
Let me ask them. Fire brigade the lad now. Fire brigade the lad now. Fire brigade the lad now.
All of them when that they say your godmother, they say you may come to insult them. All of them who they send them make they come to insult other people.
Okay.
Because if you look at your live video presenter, I don't know why when people say it be innocent for it, all of them they be suspect. Because all of them nobody when they never insult. So don't insult people, papa. So don't insult people, mama. And then they hear. Okay, now you got not another they do video for. May I bet me na enter house. If they then I wish, that one not the three people matter come out. If they then I wish not the three people matter come out.
That one they cry because of you know saying I take me know my godmother because of the character that my godmother called on. He they cry because of
they
money.
not leave her.
He they cry now money they cry for. He they saw that one every day now. My godmother say I not talk to anybody.
Mama not leave her. Mama joy not run leave her. Mama you read not run leave her. Now she can't use let pass for this Facebook.
Where? This one a woman wey don buy where they contribute if they go Nigeria. As a matter come on, you're not supposed to come talk if that woman get shame.
If they come, they say lovely car, I get money for so now when they beg fellow woman like una money, useless people. You said that for the day when I go analyze this, to make I help your godmother insult them.
Thank you.
He are clear. I be a guy. One of they call another person say they commit.
Now he go swear now. He say if he would just sleep with another man for access when he knew your husband. He would do.
Madam, don't swear. The people when they swear for that big beer, they go use 6 months. They stay husband. Go use the 6 months. Go take to a shower. Me a go here again. You want money? You want more back here? Una be better people. Well, because una just stay for Facebook. The other they look una face other person no fit stay can't reply una. Nobody will not know how to do life. You don't say they don't respect themselves. I will harm it. But when they beg fellow woman like una, now they shame. Useless people. Poverty sticking them. Like they be. Now poverty they worry them.
Where is it bony here? Where is it bony? Sticky. Where is it?
Poverty sticking them.
Yeah, go to. You didn't have a go to. Mujawa ni kwa rata for fun. Mujani go to sticky.
Useless people. Old women when they frustrate. Now frustration they worry, they don't shame. Can you imagine? They will use that they call fellow women like they give me money. Don't be saying that the fellow woman like you now he can't give you money. Now you will use for like a day now which. And then now which the time when they put up for susu, you don't pay susu money when they give.
No. No.
The time here I am about by the social media. People when they give her money make them buy obia week pese or hasa.
How?
Oh come obia week pese. Even I say then I wish no see money take buy. Useless old winch.
As he see this matter, he's not supposed to come out for the good way the woman don't try to do for you. He can't even they mock the woman. He can't they mock her. Now they fear this woman saying, you know, go take for him.
But then I wish as he don't reach for abroad, then I wish no feed by land. I won't talk, I won't bow, I won't far. He don't get anything. She be useless.
He talk. When he do video, he want talk. He did for this video. Atiti now juju they collect money for you, and they say now juju they collect. The time when this woman they give you money. The time when this woman they give money now juju they collect money for this woman.
If you go Nigeria, you know what they do? You will go to do juju. Before he they come, we don't we'll help and spoil juju. Tima kweke body your born. If you go Nigeria, if you don't juju, they know now. Well, you have Marina. Before you go say they can't.
John Lossy, where the young year say the money where this woman borrow me, not the money we spend for me for coronavirus. If I say my calculate the woman money where they bring for me for coronavirus.
Now your godmother can give you any amount when you want give you. You shall your godmother, your godfather. Here my na awe godmother, awe godfather. Ori pina ya yori ya pina. Useless people. Now those people now you dey talk to people when you dey talk to say you don't see so ham ekpe ya ewo ham. Ewo nuwa ke de wo ham na wo ham tere do state. Why is the way bo wana ahia ewo ham. But that chebo no ham that pe una eta bro come say una come find money. Na beg now na dey beg. Shameless, useless life video presenter. Some of the inside there who ya onu ero no nai. And they say, Atiti, now they say Atiti got the insult na. Una when they insult person, who call the same una? I you old useless, old kakoni and frustrated with wepo. Pox, they don't get it here. Here also get by Dima with Facebook. Now they do katika. Here I think the father yao for ne actually a lazy. Let's only 50,000 here do I so. Hey yo, I got body, you know me. I got this one. Gonna show na house. Why they old house na no get, new house na no get. Very useless people. Eh? Iya avie. Egbe ma o iya wa we egbe me o. Wa no fi make again.
They want cost man and woman make they make money for Facebook, make they be house. You know if you work like that, go and work.
Walk again. You people what ever so rare here we live video. Here we now. Here people why in Nigeria. Why we now we live video why me go work. Why be radio talk what old cackles.
Now person money no one go dey cry for. Person money no one go dey cry for.
It don't call I lovely see you. Lovely see you. I'm not the loot them one of beg you go make beg. Make beg. When we not sell, now they walk like elephant, they eat like
yesterday when I tell you one word, this where this woman follow for inside Benin yesterday, carry juju. He spend, you know how much he spend. Now he don't buy ticket when want to go your house in village. I dey see Okpa yesterday, they come and say, you not go your village, go cost. Now wait till you see for Benin people body. Wait till you see.
Mama, if you there, yeah. Cause the day I wish well, go give him mama to do paper for a walk in. Go give for another one. I did good pass. People will give her paper for this thing. Not be Facebook. Carry and go give her for a walk in. Yeah, go give her to mama. The one when the park give her, then mama has the rest hand has now mama. They after 30 years for abroad. Now rest hand has now mama still they sleep. People come they advise people from Facebook and they weapon or Raveki. Useless and they now witch. Your mama dey red sand house. How do you like video presenter? Which one mama dey red sand house? Arriba. Ine say you weke. Ugwa na rikpi fibie keno jamano. O ine say you no let dey yare bera. O mi o nene never pay. All the only that way they walking in mama house now they sleep. Useless witch daughter. I pay very useless. Now so what did they do? They will call use all those people they fight you. If you can't use the company fight to finish, later they will go they fight the people. The time when I come Facebook that I say who don't.
You know money where this woman spend. Wait, you know the time when the carriers go. You know where I tell you this my godmother. Why I tell you the truth? Why I explain that for you? Now when all of the fight Suzuki, all of the fight with my godmother. Where they come, where they fight with Okpaika, where they come draw me go a fair platform. That very day when they say when I beg a fair, when I say me they decrease. As I finish my life, you know this woman take call me. He collect number for Okpaika. I say to come, you know how much this woman spend for that case for that case where they draw us the follow to do place for that Benin. Okpaika cannot remember all this one again.
That did not say that then I wish the sort of they finish that. You remember? Not be that.
There be one first life for head. There be one first life for head. I see the video. The video not true. The video. I still beg them. They bring the video for me. I can't prove one. Okpaika na I can't prove the video. Now me come out for Okpaika.
Wait, he sort of they finish that time. Any ya mo bogbe. Now that's how me then I constantly go wrong. Whether any no.
Money where this woman spent, this my godmother that time. but I fear this woman. We not. I fear her.
I know better. You know, only one daughter wait for 90 kilikiti.
Na lie. Not be born and my sister picking. When I'm not talking to him.
Okay, my sister picking. No more care bien. Na primary school for na primary 4 for born na. Na primary 4.
I don't confirm. Listen, hey, Kyoyame.
He can't leave the picking for us.
Hey, Kyoyame.
When we have honor some money, but now we forget about the picking because the picking are useless picking as the mama tell useless. You know, if he carry the picking come abroad, he can't tell people say he born 5 children. Tell us say where the 5 children may carry them come abroad. Useless woman. You know, guys, so.
Everybody the jackpot now for Nigeria. Everybody the jackpot for Nigeria now. He get passport is 10 years for this thing. Even though your sister picking no stay for Europe with your husband, take your passport, invite them. Maybe they go back. You know fit one. Now you want to talk to my godmother.
The passport no dey fit carry anybody. Can say the passport no fit carry anybody. Come down. He carry a book for her. That time they tell me say, a lovely. Now say which paper you get? Paper when I get for passport when I get for I got the use that they shout for me for social media. As I carry the passport come out 2 weeks, you don't do video. I say see this one, this will be your mate. I not be mate. He go. Me I no go. I be old school way no go. Now me just decide I don't want to follow the run pattern as I take the run cause so how many beer. My Aki no Aki. Where you chop a food, If you cry, what does you? I eat belly food.
The way we know eat belly food. The way we know eat belly food. I think they cry. Tell me, yeah.
Women they use money. Women they plant money for Nigeria. When they pay 50,000, 20,000, I will beg if there's a lovely come man. As I did so, I can't pay person 20,000. We get 20,000. Yeah? The person they lovely give me 20, me I give you 20. I go give somebody account for Nigeria. All those people when they beg money, I'll say put the money for that account. Hey man, I ain't gonna need that account in me. When I made they born money for Nigeria, they bury money for Nigeria. Yeah, I go when I made they build. Yeah, the downstairs go fine. Almost why I treat the compound. If they come here, they shall lovely come back with all do usual. And they come back come pepper una. I will put una for the place where una belongs to. Una share. Una share go put una for una share. If
they say one man you come out. They say one man come out say the money we in just spend for case. Say that my godmother go pay. You know how much I don't take to sacrifice away from my brother wife who talk say you I sleep with.
Which man be that one? Look, but not live here.
Every pan already Jimmy no go was when they go on can take me not take bad that say.
When they fuck married women they go. Which one? You want to team 30K? Not 23K. I want she. That one they call. Okay, OG 100 euro. But that way, when she make some OG. I bet you want to laugh like that. Oh no, don't get involved on the other here. They want to read.
Okay, who consent you? If they say who consent you, me because they cost me, they cost my brother. Who consent you? Me.
Now that one comes not fast.
No, more ask question now. More say reality. They say that this woman they send me one because they insult it to my Douglas. Who consent you? Make they insult me, they insult my brother, they mention my brother name.
And I just now. You know, say no, they go that time way to Douglas, they give am money. Now that time, and they go Nigeria, you don't reach airport, you don't reach here, you know, this is why they know they reach airport, they go.
Mama, you know they talk. Don't you say the person won't get sense? Who can't tell you say me insult my brother wife? Who can't tell you say me insult me? Who can't tell you say me insult my brother?
You know
Who can send you? Who can send you if you don't get sense?
Where what you over high where are you now for me? He ain't waking Allah lekilo he. Now they do.
Okay, let's assume now. Since then, the same will not talk to Ramu. I don't talk to Ram. As you see my godmother matter, every day they mention they go rest.
Leave that one come walk pass. At 30 years for
Yeah, the movie me just say go come out. The movie could be quiet. He ate the house.
Every year, but the movie come.
The movie now when the movie when I dey beg it to my dog glass, they say when I beg at the movie, I say I not go beg at the movie. If na person wey get sense go say where this man not beg at the movie. This man get me so I go quiet.
No, I want to tell you about it. No beg anybody. As you don't do it to finish enter house. If you dey beg them, it go be like say that they important. No, they beg anybody again.
I don't hear.
Like me now, one like video presenter say love the come apologize for me. Who pay who back me for? Now me who be now? When una want help me, they can work. I bet if you now see me say, at the bath for example, poto, I bet no no help me, no let me use the poto take bath. Only now a Latin, or that for window. Isi Oluku. That for window, Isi Oluku. That village where Isi Oluku, they say.
You say I open platform for women. I open platform for women. Now you do it. They make me the open platform for women. As you hear my matter for that matter, you go enter out.
Don't let the guy your godmother know, but before you know the and also they be like anywhere when mango for rhyme, neither they go. Michael wait don't I finish and neither they throw stick they put.
My godmother see they go before I go Nigeria, go change the phone number. Now the people who want give, now go give. You go change the phone number. As it go come, you go throw where?
Ali Babi Allah. Babi Allah, all school they beg.
Not be my godmother. Not be my godmother. Go swear now. He say if you don't know another, you don't sleep with another man since when you know your husband. If you open left for Atiti,
you know. May not swear for that one. No more book. If you want swear for there, make I carry a go is okay. Here I am a book me is okay. Here I am make go.
I go tell you, I go call her just now. Make go is okay. He say he go use the last money. I go call her just now. Say, if I may say the go is okay.
You don't see as they go straight for faith.
If you know what you want to do for me, if you know the native of the call her, ask how much she talk. Tell me, I'll collect my godmother for line later. As I wire my godmother and I go transfer the money, I'll just go collect her for line. He go come talk with him, want to talk with the duplicate, or post her call, go put her journal.
They're not ashamed. They'll see Ajebo. Ajebo, go see Skiminya picking a footballer. Your two children, when you go for Spain, where did they be? Nothing. Umare van Baori, Imo.
Some time I go come. You go Esareme. I don't find you trouble. As you hear my matter, you go enter house.
I don't know Atiti to why. Why na vision that will feed use Atiti trade market. Atiti, you know they sell top of Otete. Tell us say not be all of them they use Otete they sell. Atiti not be all crow. Atiti all crow we here.
Wow.
Not be all crow. Now crow they use Otete they share because crow wow yeah.
Oh yeah.
Atiti oh yeah. If you not say that they will start to say some like to see the saga, I will see say no will leave there. No be the one way be say they frustrate. The day na which you frustrate. TDK, that one frustrate. That one no work but all leke ya. That one don't dey sweet. I'm not coming for that one.
Yeah, fella, they won't want they don't come up for his house now. More start the saga.
Yeah. Why they clean that up? Sister Vivian they go work. Then they clean house. I be Sister Vivian this thing now. And Sister Vivian be husband now.
Your job come out. He say my mother go pay the money where he spend for lawyer. The money where me spend take goes off for my brother wife. You who want pay? Who send you make go the cost my brother wife? Who send you make go the cost my brother?
No, what I want to tell you about it. If they mention your brother wife again, no they talk about your brother wife again. I don't understand. Not they talk about them. Again, is a so. You know they talk. You know they mention their name. They go rest. Here rest. It's your luku.
Now the first time when it happen, they don't understand Facebook. Say now so they do one for Facebook. They don't even they care again. He say you want to go to Nishana. You want to go to Nishana. Wait till there for your body, not there for another person's body. The pikin when you born for them, not be your name day. Why you going to fool yourself? Why you going to fool yourself? Why you going to fool yourself? Why you not going to respect yourself? You just say my matter come now. The other day, the priest said to us, I said I'm not going to talk for your matter again. Anything we concern you, I'm not going to talk put again. Now your platform for happen. As you get my godmother name.
Now only you the feel say in one saga. Because that live video presenter that they follow for ground. You know what they worry if they speak English though, he go to say he want to use English they talk to you. And you're not the most useless English. Not the English they speak, I don't even know what they talk. now because you know the year and where that is the talk say you say Atiti na me Yahweh. I want to come in to talk to you. When that ever no way you say we don't know how to speak English.
I speak English, Pastor. I speak English, Pastor. My English clear, Pastor.
You speak English, Pastor, yeah. Other window is your look. His English is barbaric English. Your English, you barbaric English, please. Can you go back to school? Go school, go YouTube, go school. English school, then YouTube. The way if they talk sometimes go say yes, I bro they speak Benin language. You don't matter come that day. He jump when
this my mother come out. You go quiet. They just settle on that day. They just settle on that day. Say, I will not talk to you again. May you not talk to me again. As you see my godmother, you know say this boy and lie they talk. He don't bring your mama come out. He to a dog like don't premeditate his place your mama.
They will see the talk say some Benin people don't know how to speak English. Anyway, try I don't know what you go. They use past for present. A past or we get one video when I say they do. It's not gonna say why are you using past when you are present. Or why low passing in low? You don't even know.
The other day, if they call it say they open platform, I open platform for women. Women are my friend. As you see, I say you did that you go at us. Talk to them, my wife talk to them. My wife talk to them. My wife talk to them.
Is represented mama. Mama represent papa. The social media no but you know what you be talk a party.
No.
Genya me I can't send my nakedness can't give her. For where till you get money?
Who's the thought that one? My wife. Oh, my wife work be. Oh, my wife work, but who are you again? You come
myself.
You not tell me this one. Who has Oyo? You go do the sacrifice. You go do the sacrifice.
I mean, not be that one where belle be fickle. That one I saw that one penis be like Ukionwako. No say na penis way in the wall. Now they carry no Ukionwako.
The one with Ben, it cannot be go. It cannot be go. What? You African it cannot be go.
Well, not say when time penis I raise all don't be go. I want I went on.
Abi, oh, can we tell that way? Oh,
because the fair way day.
If you rise, you go come back. Go watch. You go see the pain when he pass up for corner.
You not be the fair way day. If you see a foreshadow, we're doing more where I'm near the shadow advance.
In a
lovely, because they thought, I look you reach half inches, you will not get prick now. They love me, not know me, because they say one pass on me. Team wake up, we go, and they carry dick they carry money. Me kia. Igo ro. Me go ne kia je. Yeah. I'm okay. Don't hear say. You go they carry money. Yeah. They carry what if what? When they kia wa mu you go. You go they breathe. All are breathe. You go feel it. You go feel it. Any mamu, not that take the value the finger. Oh my, I tell you say I need figure. My man need the figure, my man need the licky. When we can't know that war, only may lie, one mujo or just yareba. Wow, that background, I love the can't send me this, the people got it. See, as the court say I send a nakedness, it's like if they lost for me, say, if they die for me. If people will guess it will say, wow. Oh, it's appreciation you sent to me. Why use me to say you will fit date me? Now so, you know, for your eye, you don't say you don't fit date me. That make you can't use that language, say a lovely not does send it can send it in document. That means I too big past you. They crazy. Nonsense.
If I do finish, I'll call one man just now for Holland. Tell her say me wanna because that day I'll come to preach just now. I'll see call her. Sorry, I'll see call her just now. Tell them that day they say me they not talk. What will not talk for mother? My mother come. You know concern you. First way again.
Tell your mother say that they hungry. Tell your mother say me bushy day. Mama, if you day here bushy day now hungry that they hungry. Any tree when it produce ripe, now they climb. That they climb tree and now I am moving. When the monkey monkey is a friend to tree, but those are useless people. You can't say when I can't say love bring my nakedness for me. Go part of a name yet though. If yet need to who will be a son. They will tell you say a lovely will be a son. I know they use my body they play for where black men day. Did you understood? I don't see Benin men near Amego. Here will be a cycle. Will be someone where they tall. You will be chicken coins. When I look here, when I love Mufua, who will go a poverty stinking man. You went my put for us, they feed with baku, with okra soup. Wait if I think, say for example, where did the 500 or give me? I said, I need 500 or you get her. What bell, son? You don't see Munaya, Epa, carry the matter give only 3,000 or yaku. And they come back and help you lash on. Don't make me lash on. You know the talk of your godmother. No, they answer that again. When one will go change the topic for their hand. If when my answer naya lava, ave rue, echoelova, see at the bottom, he say at the boss if they go market.
He go the claim, he go what make the claim right for my body now. I go just the watcher. I just the watcher.
Mudafozo say if they go market, he go make up. Now nakedness now also come to enter market because they come valor and put on top of tree. Look at your mate. We were skimming ya. See the second guy when they put for prison, they don't leave the guy. Where is the guy in OJ prison Latia? Go see ya. Yeah, the money dressing for now. Pretty night the matter they dress. Any aqua. You were stay your way for how many years? He go carry this thing. Napoli gold come. Because they tell me say lovely you get gold. Now me be lovely gold. Don't have to show me Napoli gold. We don't reach anything for a counter. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? May you what? Yeah, well lovely. You know they go. I know they go as better. They change gold for a counter. He change gold to a counter. Yeah, amigo. You are a traitor, liar, barbaric fool. He's a barbaric animal, traitor, hungry bush pig. Oh, I'm like that. The letter my orphanage. The letter my and the way my papa. He will scream ya before I saw Jina Quebulo. And ya papa did yashi. Orphanage home where you went where. Or not.
I will not respect you. And I will not respect you. We are that claiming that in young woman. The other day, you don't matter come out, you don't come out. I can't talk to you, the priest. You can't use and say, I open platform for these women. Now me find you trouble. Now find me trouble. If they mention your name, they don't mention other people's name will not come out. When you come pull out for my brother wife, when you come to cost my brother, when you cost me, who send you? Who sent you?
That way they insult you that time. No, no, we're married outside. You remember?
I don't go outside.
You not going outside because they say Atiti is an illiterate. You tell us say make he spell illiterate.
You know if he spell am?
Who say spell illiterate. Can you define illiterate?
Say my grandmother can't spend money. Money wey me spend, you want pay am? Now me find you trouble. No be you start the trouble. No be you start the trouble. No be you start the trouble. Why tell you before the trouble start? I don't call you for a sign. I say, wait till they happen. You say they preach. When my grandmother can't pay you money, I don't know my grandmother before we start to quarrel.
You know what you do? Why you go marry? Why you know say women they high make it they chop their money? Why you go marry Vivian? It can't be like say Vivian use rope they tie leg.
Say my grandmother come. Say my grandmother come pay the money we just spend for lawyer. The what of the one wey we spend? Who want pay? Who say you may go? They insult me. They insult my family. Who say you? Who say you may start the quarrel? Me don't call you when the quarrel was start. You say they preach. Now we start to preach. We preach for 1 year for a people don't know what they happen. You define money where you want to eat.
You know say one day he say you with a don't settle. He talk out. He talk now the quarrel again. Answer every day night they carry you they come. If your video now, why you not they pass and since una don't settle? There is a live video presenter for this social media. If they know they quarrel again, if any video come, they know they talk with.
You go see video when I do. Okay, people say when I beg you to my Douglas now. You just see the video, they call the claim glory. You know quiet. You don't play the full video. Wait till I talk for the full video. You know play them, they cut only there, call they play.
People tell you say, may you tell Ito Douglas say
sorry.
You say sorry to Ito Douglas. You didn't say sorry to Ajebo.
They thought say when I tell like the movie say sorry for the video. I not tell like the movie, I say I not feel beg at the movie. If not let that one when you see, he's supposed to get sense.
You know what here? There is no need of you where they were. You for go indoor, go tell the woman say sorry. If you tell the woman say sorry, finish, then you can come to social media and say, my fans, I don't tell the woman say sorry. You know, say if you drop say sorry, they will see something pick up. When they say, my sugar they pay me. I don't see waiting my sugar they pay now. Waiting now they do when my sugar won't pay now. You will never.
Okay. If na person wey get sense, now me with you go the apple for. Me don't start now. They tell the woman, so you're supposed to quiet your mouth if you get sense.
Yeah, because in one man you they bully the woman.
In one way they bully the woman, then one way they curse the woman.
Yeah, because even the woman not there, because Vivian that I got to say make them tell Ito and Douglas say make he leave only 3K. Then in one man you call they bully the woman because they pen and say the Vivian don't drive the woman come on for your hand. You not see the time where with the woman they go Nigeria at that time. Now because this man, this day they marry Vivian. Which one they use another woman then they do posy and dengue? Because they use and they do posy and dengue. We have to no bani more your life we go come reach 30 years old bani my win in one day. Oye boy be no give oye be popotemus no good you
go see my video go dey play. You go dey cut am. Play my full video. People go listen to what I talk.
Now, you know what? People watch you. They see the video. Now he just a fool himself. You apologize to Ito and Douglas, not him. Ito and Douglas will apologize to. Do you apologize to him? No.
No.
Why is he playing the video over and over again? You didn't apologize to him. Because he's a stupid man. He's a
stupid man. He don't get sense.
He call himself a married man. He's dragging a married woman outside. To do what? Okay, you want me you come go there insult the same woman.
Now you tell me say you defriend this woman. Now you tell me say you sleep with her.
Maybe it is a man you they happen. He can tell you say they sleep with this big woman. And you always walk him away again. I bring my nakedness, come give her.
If people see now say touch about that, they say they open left for her. You know, sister na truth at the talk for wetin at the talk. Now he tell me say they sleep with her. Audio come out wey wife take cry, come out. Audio come out wey wife take cry, come out. He pull out from my head. Now I see say, wetin you tell me? Audio still go come out. Audio still go come out. Your family of it to my Douglas, they still go come in. They say you agree to do abomination. You no get sense. You want to insult? You want to go insult it to my Douglas again? You want to insult him again?
You know, say me I be person. If you dey talk something, I will help you. The one way put for my body, I see say there is no need because he man say, "Oh, show me that." He say, if they follow me, say he won't block me now. I be one tell and say, this thing when I just send the nakedness for you. You say whether they say messenger, even 5 years ago, something when you put for messenger 6 years ago. 7 years ago, still the messenger, you can display it. Why they don't tell us they can't display that? Because now Mugu, now they talk to. When you talk to people that have it upstairs, they will say, as you bring that in your bed, this thing when lovely day, bring that home for you, can't display that for us. You can't display that. You know, I don't like to go down with these people because they are such illiterate. You know, making noise with illiterate sometimes, dragging with illiterate sometimes, it's like you they kill your career. I look and say, the man is a such illiterate.
Mama, they spoil my name. All those devil presenters, they spoil my name for social media, and now I don't know.
They don't be spoil your name. You might when you wear it, and I the pepper there. You see the Atiti or Bono Kuta.
Hey,
you still
kissing man.
You do handsome now.
Yeah, so they will cry that today. They will cry that today.
You know where you handsome person now. I think you be fine guy now. I don't say no say that day when I see your papa's cap, he may war, man.
Oh, no, I don't know me my boy, Larry, Larry,
let another people show me your dick. You know not that most true na me who wear go. Oh, you go if friend they fall top you go dey ban. They papa's cap no way party. That why they jealousy you. Very short bekuma. That one too short man. Every walker, that why if you fall you go the road they go. Every walker at the box.
It gets some matter when you go bring come for Facebook sometimes. The matter go interest me when I talk put. I see say na him bring I go run for the matter.
Yes. Do you know the problem he has? He's a fucking nose man.
He get one man wey bring the matter for way woman, no gree make greet the pikin. He do that video 2 times or 3 times. I be wan draw that woman like. I say I no go talk put. Me no go do.
Yeah, I know they talk. You know what you know they talk for the video when they do. If he bring people come, not they talk put. Now that one now you take get sense person. Now that you take get sense. If he come they use the video, say you basically do something. He come saga. He can't analyze this. That means say, is a pork nose man. He a pork nose. You know what that man? Man in school. Many people with this where he have a primary school. He have like JSS1, JSS 3. He man teacher. You know people go.
If you want come on now, Atiti, they are not talk to Atiti. You talk to me. You are talking to my godmother. We don't settle the matter. We don't settle the matter. We don't settle our matter. We say we will not talk to each other again. As my godmother matter come out, not talk put. As you come to put, you still need trouble. Because you just say I don't settle with it. Because you just say I beg you to my Douglas. Now you want to call the use that advantage say want to talk to my godmother. Mo start now.
When they be the same age me for abroad, then they say that they pay.
I feel not come answer anybody, but I'll come answer you. I'll come answer you.
Person where they call skimming.
If you don't want to respect yourself, I'll come tell you say way respect yourself.
Papa Wala, erame. Why are you calling erame?
Papa Wala senior. Papa Wala senior. Wait, if not the shame. Papa Wala senior.
Papa Wala, erame. The day one day when I sight that man for Amsterdam.
Now he people to come out to. Now he not bear. Listen, Mama lovely. Now he not bear. Follow the movie with Yuri for 7 days when they bring go juju. That day they call a Yuri Momin Iyelogi. Now it's shame for her.
Me juju the carry come.
The time when it happened, where the number year, I not bear for 7 days, do video for 7 days, when the open it here, wait till they
Lagos. Wait, we should do the carry con. Ogun the bridge.
Listen, why I explain for you again? The time when them Yore and the Moki face, where the news, where they talk bad word, where they go talk, go with their papa. Now this man carry bed come out for 7 days, they knock before they swear for Benin. Now they call Yore mommy Yore that they laugh. I say, wait.
You know a woo-woo. That is when be like a Utian. That they build the house for that leaf.
First way you tell me, if I want to video, why they put the picture, why they call the Ogioba, when I want to video, not put their picture.
Not they put the picture for your platform again. Just start to run, not put the picture, you know, rich. Well, if it their platform, not the way when they beat or short it now, or you can you know it go now. Now so they do. Now attention seeker may go find work. Go actually win now. Only this every 30K away.
And they respect you there. The priest will not talk to you again. But you go they talk to me. The priest no. You go they talk to my godmother. The priest not go tell me quiet.
The priest.
Leave that one, mama. Leave that.
No, I don't want to talk to that one. That one too small, man.
No, no, you talk to that one. They fight for my godmother for that side.
Oh, they fight for your godmother. The day where your godmother go give her money, then because he go.
My godmother don't give her money. My godmother don't give her. We don't give her money. We don't give her money. Gonna there my godmother for comment. We cause quarrel so.
Okay, because they comment for there. Now what? Oh yeah, 3K where people they do shopping. When men they enter shop now where Tori. It buy ticket. Follow 8,000 euro go house.
Why attack? We go repair our shopping. Why they go attack?
Big as Tadan. Skippo. They had the perfume with Skippo. You know, so if you reach Skippo now, perfume for them is 200, 2something.
Lovely. How do you get going?
Even Nigeria, Skippo you not tell the perfume. Even Jojo Amani blue. Now he thief. You don't have a 3,000 now this man. I feel now he thief. Or you can't tell the thief 3,000 away from 8,000. Or that remain 5,000. So I know what to do. You don't walk on or Mamwaya. Where you make a original Miko. Now your papa room, you go thief the money.
You come on. You go they do where you look at. If I want to do you 1 week, you are going to red. You know me.
He pay. Papa, you go reach in trouser. If you reach there, if not 10,000 there, you go take 2,000 convert or take 1,000 convert. Yeah, tell it chicken. Where you here? Person when you come thief the money, you say, well, no, the 3,000. When no one 3,000, what you feel okay? This is the most useless man. Always education. See, men not tell that they say, man, that they go party, not beside dirty. Okay, when you they go now, iyeki occasion. Eke nana avi weki tomatoes. Eke total line back go full everywhere. On yane where you buy. Oh, we go no be to a naira way there. Tonight they home. Where your men they go back, go carry sharper naira. Iya yafi. Your men they invite your men for big event. Where they do for her. Do they go sit down for where a busy day, a busy. The burger there, lino bag, you can't just check sit down for there. One day they shall be saying, lovely, I can't see this thing, mosquito. Mosquito shoe, you don't fit buy mosquito shoe, you get money. You go AliExpress, go buy mosquito AliExpress. Now you come to the they tell you don't know say na marker now. I be marker, no marker when I don't know. Also, the cloth where they wear, the cloth where they wear, now Nigeria they buy the cloth on give an Igbo made.
He get clothes because I know the dress. because I know the dress. My cupboard for you, come look the cloth where it dey. My shoe when I dey wear, the lowest shoe na 140 euro.
This thing, 5 euro, you change that to Nigeria.
When they come my house, you go buy cloth for market 2 euro. As he bring the cloth on, my brother say he get this guy 3 euro, 2 euro, he dey buy for Zara.
Na Zara no do sales. He know they go there. You know say Zara, if they do this thing, he know they go because if Zara come dey sales, he will come go. Like he say, if you come wear the cloth, the bottle will come down. That make a fight monkey they talk say go say no where you no na key you talk. You know see the bottle come be like incredible work because you know see inside. Inside is not there again because the time we inside they not the money they buy. He don't get 125, 150 to buy this thing shirt for Zara now. He don't get if you need that you go buy answer which one quality 2 boy. Is there Malika logo?
He just spend money for lawyer. He just spend money for lawyer. He just spend money for lawyer. The one wey make me go do sacrifice. Who go appear? Who send you? Who send you make up pull for my head? Who send you? Now after all, now you tell me say you defend this woman. After the audio come on, audio this woman come say audio for me. Say see the audio where your wife play for her. He say audio for me. Where quarter start say see audio where your wife play for her. The audio say go send and go give her the movie at last.
You know see her.
The day when the woman send that for me, the date everything there for inside my phone. The date when they for inside my phone. You accuse me say my brother wife now he don't do adultery. Now it's okay. Now I bring my phone. The date everything there.
Now they bring your brother. You don't wait till the rest like.
As his contract, he did for inside this phone. I lost his contract. The date when the woman said everything for me. I don't forward and go give people make they hold up for me.
The live video presenter will say we only 30 naira. Carry her for grand pole.
Now what your wife play? When the woman send for me to a doctor and send her for me. Now I take the sing. The date when he send her for me, for my phone.
You don't get it this year again. If you get her, send her for me. Make I can't tell her where he sleep. Down. You know the shey, he made the bite here rubber. You
tell me with your man. You tell me with your man. The day when your wife drive you for Germany, where fight you, where beat you. You buy a ticket, you run come my house. The night now your wife call you, say you don't reach here. Your wife they call for phone. You say you know if you tell me no married to woman. If your wife bring money for you the next morning. Come swear whether or not they talk.
Even if not be say that woman self they find say I don't know the husband when they find. This one when they chop through way where Ajabo na orange when they chop through way they don't get wetin they want to do something. Like person like Ajabo in
okay, I want to ask you a question now. People when they talk, people when say they get sense now. Wanna tell her Ajabo make us swear whether I with his wife not fight. When they don't come my place from Germany, where your wife come bring money for her, where they for my balcony, where they tell the wife say, you know if you tell me no married to woman. Go na tell me come swear.
He don't marry.
He won't marry your wife before now. He won't marry your wife before now.
He get house. Okay, if he marry your wife, where want?
You want to go to talk to this woman again? When did they worry? You don't get sense.
Now they talk to your wife. He get house. It's not a family. It's not a rich man. He want to be a polygamous man. Are you a rich man? Or do you want to be a dirty polygamous man?
It is say I not do as I tell you. The yoga house for those scatter finish today. As the scatter in Vivian house, we carry Vivian at the house. But you know what they stay with your husband today? You know what they plan to do birthday for your husband today?
You know what I see for Adafe widow. Adafe widow, now juju when they know they serve again. Okbeani is the most useless poor man.
You provoke me now. You provoke me if you not take time.
Oh, poor babe. The guy know they make. I not even try at all. In Nigeria, no sure it to mate. You go here, call chest. See chair, head not even the chest. A chest. Head not the chest. He no get his pack. You got to say lovely say picture and nakedness. You not get hair for chest. You not get six pack. Yeah, your belly don't be like say when I'm more you can't. That's why your belly me a lovely. I then select yeah, I go move out. If you
I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you one question. Lovely, Mujane, you know say if man sleep for bed now, you know how to sit down top.
That one get prick when they want sit down.
You know say the one women they like myself they tell you now, you go fix that long one with one, you come fix am for hair. You fix am for hair. That with one, you not go tire at all. You go away from her, you come sit down top. I'll go put my for one. I'll go put, hey, you go be like mommy water. You'll be like mommy water. I'll go put one for, I'll go put my for one pop. Oh, Baba, you also man. Oh,
you know that one the way you ask, whether I fix it down top. Which one?
No, I don't fit us. Okay, this my own way bend. So you know, say as if it's down top, you go the bend go one side. You go the crack one side. You go the crack one side.
Now lie. People will be like you. May I describe your prick?
Describe her.
People will be like you. Your una prick, you know the bend. Una prick, you go get papa tap. A prick in here, the full toto.
Come on, tiny. Oh, tiny. Oh, tiny. Oh, tiny.
I feel you. As I see you, I don't observe your dick. I don't observe them. I be now.
Because waiting me they like, right? They tell you so. Waiting me they like, sit down top. Sit down top.
If they sit on top of your own, now what?
Then you go fix that long with phone. That long with phone, you don't go tire. You don't go tire, go through work, go through work cover my face. I go put my to work for poo.
You know, now mommy made. Now you want me you sleep with. Mama, you want me you sleep with. Mama, they make love like that. Now, wow, you like when you go inside you. Mama made. You guys see for your house.
I get to see you. I get to see.
If I see good the house, now you go wear that wig. Don't say it's not in your house. First you come the sweat.
I know, first not fit sweat. That is not fit sweat. Sit down.
Okay, as at the birthday, now who should I want to sit on top of a demo? You don't sit on top of a you don't see dick if they raise.
When are they piece for bedroom? Where are they bossing my IKEA? Now they for start to say care of where or him you know say man with man there for us. If man with man there for us, man go bath. If man go bath, man with man there for us. They know you just free yourself. But you go they hide you home. You go they hide they go follow corner. When I go bath, let my house a day. When you go see, I go come stretch neck like this. You go see stretch neck come to look at.
At the birthday, we don't run package. As at the birthday, the birthday not get IKEA. And the birthday not get IKEA. You see,
if I say one they respect them, you go they claim glory on top of my head.
You define that illiterate. Are you not an illiterate? We're illiterate. Uneducated fool. We're illiterate. I thought you know one wow. You did you okay? You know feel maker. Even illiterate maker pass yourself. You when they claim say you go school, you don't use your brain. You don't feel +1+2. They can make money out. I to see. You go bamala, or berubo, you go they change all those carbohydrate food. That make your belly come swell up. Guy, go gym, your belly too ugly.
First you go see me your avoid them. First you go see me your avoid them. You go see they come out. You first say you go they say I carry my video yesterday. If they analyze that video what me do.
I mean that is say never go they smell. You not say that you go they enter inside that never. If you want bath and they choke. The sponge enter inside your never. If that never go they smell.
That day you want try to record me. You want try to record me in complain. I can't disgrace you. You wrong.
Who want record? Who waiting they want? Who record?
If they find my waiting them, my mouth will go complain to the world. I not big that.
The day when I see that man picture where it with the no get they fight, when no get show, if you see the man, very short. Oh, what they poo na granted day.
I do video. I dey beg it to my Douglas. They say I beg it the movie. I talk and come out. And I say they for tell me. I can't take and come out. I say I not fit beg it to the movie, but I beg it to my Douglas. You know what? The whole way I talk for the.
Now 3 years. When they so for 3 years, 1 year for trouser. The remaining 2 years for Agbada. You know the way Agbada again. Love because it comes in.
May they carry me go to Dubai. May they go palace. If for this palace we'll see the truth. Now that for talk. There's someone who swear not be said to happen. There's someone who swear not be said to happen.
Forget it on Douglas. You don't already beg it on Douglas. Forget her. But
You own it.
Yeah, not the talk about it. He want me to bring it to Douglas. Not the talk about it to Douglas again. When you want your own so said that woman not can reply one day. You don't talk one day. You forget her. As you don't already apologize to Ryan, let the apology lie. You know? Let her enjoy your apology. God said, but I don't Douglas. Don't do.
Okay.
You know? Only we can follow. Apple level to short bedu. Oye wukion we ran. Oye wukion we ran.
Ma lo be koko. Uta me lo be koko. O han do pe record gi okuni. O koni do send record gi me. We do ta wo kimi. U do bo ba wo re. E me yo go me do so magbo. E me be. The record wey play, the date when the woman send that for me, it did for my phone. Now what do you mean no see me or sit cry now?
Now the way when he tell leave the woman when he get for Spain. Now so if he wants to tell leave Vivian, now make Vivian shot command. Then they use women to they exchange women. I don't even know what people are seeing this man. Omaka, MSC Spark.
Uwe na la lodge. Orila lu enu ya go.
It must be like catfish when they do pepper soup. Who like you? They ye me on you are your bokai.
Ope no me ke ya laluwe. Ope no me ke we laluwe. When me ke na ya abu. Ya amu ame yuwe. Me am okori na to time wen. Okori sit down top me suspend gbe me ya nwe. Ya nwe. He suspended gbe me ya nwe wa ni.
Now I thought just now, this something got the heat. You they feel like they make.
Oh, we na putting a level when, but me and when.
Oh, pump. You go they feel like.
Yeah, me, I'm gonna do it all the way.
Akono nu ye ya ipokwa, not that lalue. All the teeth don't break proof for inside your mouth. Half teeth knife for your mouth. Very useless man. Man we know they make money. I know they like man we know they make money. Guy.
Now you laugh me. Now you laugh me. They do paper for me. Now you laugh me. I thought they work.
How do women cope with this man? If I did wear this man, that would they feel.
Since 2 years now when I don't get my paper, my mother not send money for me again. He not send money for me. I tell her I go to work.
20-year-old now. Man, when woman they give 20 euro, go come spin me. How many with you want to go? How? We are not holding 20 euro. You don't get money.
Ya de wiki supermarket today. Ya de magiki supermarket today. Ba mi ya de magiki supermarket today loko.
And I think go back that they go do shopping of 70 euro. See shopping when I do 70 euro. When you make they use 300, they do shopping motor go full. This women now they try. Man, I don't feel on that package. You want to where you want. No money, nothing. How God forbid. How much they do? I'm not.
Because most start them again. If you don't say because I don't tell you to my Douglas, say sorry. If you want me to start them again, we'll start them again. Since you know what I expect yourself.
Oh, not that again. As you already tell that mama say sorry, don't do. I'm not need potato scan. I'm not potato scan. Now they sleep with dirty man. That man now no better perfume day body. Now let deodorant. Now muelu lele. Now let that one day body. How about they run this man self? Dirty man. Why are running? I had the lovely I married. Lovely I get husband. May God not let me.
The day when the woman when send the video for me, the date stay there for them. As screenshot her, the people will see her. But we reach court.
God forbid.
Now you tell me, the day when you come my house, you still swear for Wapa whether you not bring money for you, where you run.
You forget the woman. Where this guy with that woman mention no
yeah, look at
I don't already apologize to that woman.
I don't hear.
Where so one year?
He on it. I don't hear.
It doesn't that woman they pay now because that woman not they buy anything for her again. He can show me say lovely see. Lovely can see my distance. I see this one. Men don't go to Wuga. I be lovely obvious making. Me man cock. Because I they come Facebook now I follow come they do competition. Why me?
I just for first way trust me. I did for live video yesterday for money for that tree. Now video go for coming with the talk. When they go Nigeria last year, I just see like this anything what they do. This is a poor woman because they stay for live video every day. You go and talk to them.
Now don't sit down. The guy they say lovely. He push you for leg. With shoe. Come here and show you my shoe. The last price of shoe went now they were now 180. The last price. Adafe we don't see luku. A useless man. A man also abandon no meva. Abandon no high.
You come live video. You say they change my Pekin name. They change my Pekin name. They call that then I'm going to need their passport. They come 1 month ago. Or the 26th this month. They see they come back again. I know good night they won't come again.
You get European account. He not get European account. Where you want to see paper they open bank. He not get European account.
All the whole life when you talk for life, you not say they change their name. See their name, they not change their name. Who can be fool?
The cloth when they cook, the day when he put on for this thing for neck, he can't tie and use and they cook. I don't say as if elected shoot come out. I be like pregnant woman.
Every day they go. So trick. It's so trick. Man, wait, they drink so trick for life every day. That's one I'm responsible, man. I'm waiting.
That one German be no way they drink. €1 wine. Go buy wine, €150.
You go go carry one big bottle. Yeah, you go carry one big bottle. So that this one they take drink beer for Germany. This one they take drink beer for Germany. It make you irrelevant, fully mind in society. I can't take drink, they proud for the public now. I can't take drink, they pour. I just see somebody that come put drink for table, saying that's what they do, big boy.
Now that €1 drink.
No, say they go. I don't know what they call the drink. Roman figure. Whether na Roman figure they call the drink. They come put on top of table. They call the band like this. They call like this. They call the banner.
Go back one only glass of Havana when they go give you.
Now drink you want to do big boy. Now drink you want to take post for life to say be big boy. You make you a coward.
They carry the sinner that they buy that hero. Havana go buy ya. Havana go buy ya.
Anyo mi ya u 34 euro ya 34 euro. A supermarket na do. Okwaro wa me mi ya so nye megbe. Egege 34 euro. Wọ́n fi do.
See belle.
Ya give my supermarket ban. Ya give my supermarket. Okwaro wa wọ́n ni me wọ́n. Ogoro po gbe 2 years. Wọ́n ni me gi wọ́n.
No dey hand. Toro bo, toru du.
Wait, e savesa me ya u, e savesa na ye kwa every seconds. We be le savesa wan ye. When we semester kini we ti wa. Who are wan yo.
Ajobo we gbe na okie. Ofie. Awe okie kin wa gbagba. Now
what did they find? Now what did they find with this one now? If you not see him, I'll call the touchable, but all of them go park up.
We are not a bitter since he don't say that you want a fight. We don't. My man say us is not.
I'll just call the touchable all of them park on this platform. That one I dey pay now. That one I dey pay now for body. When I call the give man go to you go run enter house.
That I lovely. If you see me for ground, you don't go near me. You dey mad. Yeah, okay, yeah, lovely. Yeah, they will be. Now, guys go beat you. Before you go know it, guys go rush you. You think that many people I want to fight you? I get it to men, they go beat you. Don't know it's also not the kwanu. You say,
where is it? Kwanu?
Our princess. Now you tell them, now you they do. Yeah, go ahead, blue and black.
Because of life, they don't respect person, but they talk anyhow.
Don't worry.
My godmother na your mate. My godmother na your mate. You know see the ojuju when my godmother go swear so. Fear let your godmother swear.
May no worry, my bini guy wait there one day. I'll call the Bini guy. May go speak Bini with good English for you. Oh, man. Are you crazy, man? That one a swag Bini man. Swag Bini man. Where they adult delinquent, illiterate. Or as America, my America. Now Bini man, my America. If you speak America with Bini, you say, I love you to go in a Nyoma. When people say that they calculate, when they calculate, he make money. Come see your hotel, we need guy there.
You do video once, I not talk to you. You do second time, I not talk to you. You know, guys sense.
Go see her. They talk. If I go after that, tell us that is where you were. Merara, where they were. We something I we shopping, we baba, where if you carry me at that shopping, you can't drop me for house. They say lovely, this Binima, go see Binime, ni a fiet or another fiet. I mean, near mammy tissue paper, only some before you walk, Kionisa. Useless people. If the guy open wallet and you go away with your bar, you went on me go away while I'm back. Oh, he says, son, na near fiat to a face together, love economy, it's not they talk. Bawa go best shoulder. Cause that don't make us beneath me.
But, Mama, my love, Mama, my love. Mama, my love, in the book, why I speak to you?
The low container. Why Facebook, why bookie? Bro, may I leave you? I want to go back.
Okay, Mama, I'll call you later just now. Yeah?
Anytime when you want to talk to say you send a message for and call me, you don't wear my book bear.
Okay.
My bell.
Okay.
You go nail a job grab. You know if I shock before.
Yeah.
You go nail her, not choose to pull her off.
Okay. Thank you.
My daddy, see you. Bye.
I love you, child, mommy.
All those things when you talk.
When I send the video, go give her. You come out 2 times, you come out 3 times. I say, when I carry me go anywhere, now I carry me go. Now they carry me go police station. Now you do the thing. A boy has seen me neck bomber. All the proof when they with me, I go plan that day. You know, see the dates. You know, see everything. You know, see the time we take off. Because I dey quiet for you. Because they take advantage of me. They say when I beg the woman. I not talk say wetin I talk na lie o. I not talk say na lie. Wait, I'll call you back. Wait, I'll call you now. When I first send video to Ikeyame, why not forget? When I first send video to Ikeyame, why not forget? Where my earphone? Where Ikeyame number? Hello? 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 Wait. One put up my earphone. Hello? Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay. Wait to talk. I know you're aware. Tell that place again. Okay, no problem. I don't hear. Because as me be planning before, if you just do one, the old Germany, the old people waiting for Germany, all of them go wrong. Me, I don't get document. All the old people waiting for Germany, all of them go pick race. This and everybody they try. They don't tell you say I too wicked. Wait till you tell me say you dey friend this woman. You tell me say you dey friend this woman. You will just want the buy ticket, they go out every time. Okay, the day when your wife drive you for Germany, gonna fight, you don't come my house. You dey talk for phone. Mo go swear. The day when Eyowa sent the record come from me. We'll the date everything I take a picture, we'll play for palace. If not lie, we'll swear. Una they carry me to go police station. Una where? Egbera wa. Una think I be illiterate. Say na my godmother come, they say you need money for my godmother. If you not go pay lawyer money, who want pay the money when me take you sacrifice? Who want pay? Who send you me because they insult me? You dey find money hungry now they beat you. Because I say why quiet, my godmother say why not follow person quarrel. Why not follow person quarrel? All of them just they put out for my godmother head. Oh good they kill you now. Oh good beluwa. If I come out here, I will stop work because of this to my godmother. I go just stop work. I don't go work. We'll start her. I'll fit do 50 times in a day if you don't know me. I'll fit just stop work because of my godmother. If you never know me more than love me, I'll just call my agent and say I know they work again. I don't work for 1 month. We'll start her. This is how we go beat me, my godmother don't fit put money for my take it. You know how much she spent yesterday? 2 million I spent yesterday. You know where the post still 7 place now passed yesterday, 7 place. 2 million I spent yesterday. You know this is an office stop up because of my godmother. Can't answer now because I'm quiet. How many women feel go swear as my godmother they swear? She if he don't sleep with man, is when you know a husband. And the person where they accuse him for if he open left for her. Mona come out. Mama go sister almost 2 years now in office work. Mona leave me alone. Mona leave me and my godmother alone. I dey tell you now, Mona not let me first come up with house. I feel just go my agent now go tell the say I not work again. My godmother feel bring money for me when I take up when I take pay house rent. If una no know why they tell una now, I then go follow una do am. If una platform big, blogger go share my own, blogger go carry my own share. I be not be blogger they carry my own, blogger still carry my own. We'll see the disgrace. We want follow everybody. Mona respect una self. Mona it don't reach una take get sense. I be for man, not be for maths. I be Adaze, not be for maths, not be to make maths. Adaze they get sense. Adaze sense go follow your head. You know when you know me, I don't drag you. Person when you thief money, you go big account. I don't drag you. You go you know what I don't do. They don't carry you go court. You know how much they spend now. Maybe my godmother can't pay you. What do you talk for my body? Who say you may go talk for my body? I don't know whether these people not get sense, whether they know the thing. Hey, Uwasha won walalomu wariana. Asha wo pekus won at the lake na spoil na. Gosera me washa wo ma. Asha wo na me muwe no malalo. That bon ma me ah. Sharp my pasha asha wo no good. If asha wo give person pekus lake, the life of the man go see spoil. E Monica we ra ba. Uwe ma get ma bagmo. Waruwe abo yo kame we ni etu ko emunera meta mame iyo ni dia yo munure iyo emunera meta mame ni iyo ni dia yunure na wa de gbesu we la o aleru na dia sawo no ma egberigbe ari sawo no enegbe yan disgrace o pe a liyego Ejeje no pa wodo igboma we better the egba iwe no pa. If your shoe not good, go repair, go give shoemaker, very shoemaker the prayer. Mama I go. You don't give shoemaker. You say you want to come for husband house. You also be with me there. Ibata one can na gbe bata yegbe. Ibata gari amuge shoemaker no dollar yi. E shoemaker no dollar bata we you make na. You be wounded lion. I will It that make time I watch achawo my papa tell me say achawo no good. When I not let me first, I go to plenty social media. Everybody go everywhere go dey shake. Everywhere go dey shake. Una friend know me o. Una know me. Ogun gbelu waya sungwa. That was the punishment. One take because another so go exist again. Ogun gbelu waya fefefa. This one mo gbuwa. Iye go this way. Iye gure. Since no one respect yourself, one take ogun kan. Waya o awa gbon. Awa shawo kobo. Waya sungu. If you want to birthday next year, na pay for money you dey find when to do birthday. You know go work before next year make you money to do birthday. You know go work, people money, tiffy jam koriko na want do party, make people come spray for na want take work. Ojibole. We are. Because I dey give una respect small. Now because they do pass on herself. Ikpa peluwa. Awiyan owokwere. People when they sleep with another man's wife. When I not go bring juju for me for where una go palace, una call me for there. When I not call me, where disgrace set on a body for there, una dey road they go police station. Since you don't want to respect yourself, you want why they insult you, they insult this woman. Actually, they insult my grandmother. So when I come back again, they don't see me catch you. If I come down, go come down for Bayelsa State. You are total for outdoor. You don't say play the come down for Bayelsa State. You are total for outdoor. Now I go enter Benin go back if you don't know me. Waya warrior, waya sungu. Rubbish following. They say they respect una. Una go dey do pass una self. Come swear whether you not tell me say you dey friend the woman. Come swear. This matter when me dey talk now, the day when you abeg take time. I don't avoid you. Since I dey avoid you, no one avoid yourself. You dey claim to call the do oguda or dunga no. You be Jew where they do good or do good for where I dey. Who be Jew? Will you when of it drop 300 for us every month make they feed? Now go come dey talk to me. You know how much be my bill for a month? You where pikin dey take up, where pikin dey feed? Are you not ashamed to come and be talking to me? Make my godmother come call you, make come pay money, fire burn you. The other day, the priest tell me, say, hey, he not talk to you again. He not talk to you again. He not see where they talk to me now. Anything when it concern me, as that's when we don't settle like that day, you're not supposed to talk, even though they call your name. The person when they call your name, say, not be to a Douglas, go give your mama video, give your mama, give every information where they insult you, where do birthday for, where they give money, where they insult you. Make the cost swear whether I lie they talk. Make the cost swear whether I lie they talk, whether be they get information. You know shame, they chop spaghetti. Woman, person when come disgrace your mama, disgrace everything, disgrace your mama for her side, carry your mama come out. Say you sleep with your mama, you dey chop spaghetti for one army. You fear that may not call the saga you again. Who saga want give you way pass the one we don't give you?